Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Gmail add-ons using OAuth and Scopes easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To get started, open your Google Cloud Console. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down. In the dialog that appears, click on New Project. Name your project and click Create. Once your project is created, navigate to the Library section. Search for Gmail API using the search bar. Click on the Gmail API result, then click the Enable button. Next, go to the OAuth consent screen in the sidebar. Select External for the user type and click Create. Fill in the required fields, such as the app name and user support email. Add your email address and click Save and Continue. Now, navigate to the click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. Choose Web Application as the application type. In the Authorized Redirect URIs field, enter the redirect URI for your add-on. Click Create to generate your credentials. Take note of the client ID and client secret provided. Next, set up the scopes your add-on will need. Create a new file in your app directory for configuration. Include the scopes in the following format: https://www.googleapis.com/auth/gmail.read-only-single. Make sure to include all necessary permissions for your application. Once you've defined your scopes, incorporate the OAuth 2.0 library into your project. Authenticate users by directing them to the Google authorization URL. Use the client ID and redirect URI in your authorization request. After the user accepts the permissions, they'll be redirected back to your app. Retrieve the authorization code from the redirect URL. Exchange the authorization code for an access token using your client ID and secret. Store the access token securely for future API calls. Now, you can make API requests to access Gmail data on behalf of the user. Follow best practices for managing tokens, such as refreshing when expired. Your Gmail add-on is now fully authorized and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.